Hey guys, let's learn how to make better pop-ups in Bubble. Okay, so right now let's just drag a pop-up on the page. So by default, this is what you have. Okay, even on run mode. Okay, let's try to preview this. So I have a button here. I'll just put a workflow on this that shows the pop-up. So show elements and then pop-up. Okay, so let's preview that. Okay, so this is how pop-ups look in Bubble. Right, they just stick to the top all the time. And really, I don't think this is good UX. On mobile, the pop-up should be here at this bottom, and then on PC the pop-up should not also stick all the way to the top. It should be in the center of the screen. It should have something like this. On desktop, the pop-up should be in the center of the screen. Okay, and on mobile it should be a bottom sheet, right? Because it's just normal for people to reach out to their phone with their thumb, and it's very stressful to go all the way to the top to click on something. So let's make better pop-ups. So what you want to do is put a pop-up on the screen just like that. I'll just reduce this one like this. Detach the style and give it a transparent background. So background color should be none. Okay, you can leave these settings, but you should go to roundness because you won't be needing the roundness anyway. Outset shadow, just set it to none. Everything should be none, won't be needing all that. Okay, and then the layout should be aligned to parents and not fixed to it. Don't make it fixed to it, just make the minimum width 100, and then not fit height to content. Okay, you want it to take all the full height of the screen, right? So now you put a group at the center, and then you give it a background color. Give it a background color like this, and I'll give it a maximum width of say 400 and height of 300. Really depends on you. Okay, it depends on you. Depends on you. I'm just going to zero this out and then give it a roundness of 5. Yeah. So after having this, let's just fix the workflow. So let's preview this now. Okay, so this is better. You have a better pop-up on PC. Okay, instead of a pop-up that sticks all the way to the top. Alright, so for mobile, this is what you want to do for mobile. You just apply a conditional on the group within the pop-up. Okay, you want to apply a conditional on this by saying when current page width is less than tablets. Okay, you want alignment to be bottom. All right, you want alignment to be in the bottom. So let's preview that. Okay, for desktop, and then let's bring it down to mobile. Yeah, and you have this for mobile. Okay, so this way your users on mobile don't have to reach all the way to the top, to access the pop-up. So guys, that's a better way to make pop-ups. Please subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Thank you.